Well, hello there, my sunburned friends. Today we're going to be working on something that I've needed to do for probably about a week since I bought this car. I'm going to be working with the RainX Premium Headlight Restoration Kit, and the RainX Premium Headlight Restoration Kit works pretty well. So I'm going to show you everything you need to do to get this taken care of. It's actually a really good kit. For $17, it's worth it. So if you've got yellowing headlights, go out and buy it. As long as you have a drill, it comes with everything you need. It's got 3 levels of sandpaper. It comes with a polish sponge, and the polish and the coating that goes on the lens to fill in all the scratches that the polishing is going to put on there. This stuff works great. So I'm going to give you an idea of what it looks like on the first side, and then I'll show you the process of doing it on the other side.
Now, as you can see, this is what the driver's side headlight looked like before I got started. And this is what it looks like when I was finished. As you can see, this product works really well. And if you stay tuned, I'll show you the process of how to get the results that I got.
Alright, so basically what you need is this RainX Headlight Restoration Kit, which, like I said, works great. I was actually kind of surprised. I'll show you here in a second, but let me show you what it comes with. It comes with this adapter here that you just screw into your drill. This piece, everything is held on by Velcro, so very easy to put on. Kind of tough to take off, which is a good thing, but it is possible. This just connects by Velcro. So basically you start off with this. You get 2 of these brown sanders, move on to the gray sander, which is like 3200 grit, and then the blue sander, which I believe is 4000 grit, and then you end it with the polishing wheel. Let's try to keep that clean if you can. And then it also comes with the polish, which is right here, and on the inside comes with directions that are very easy to figure out. It comes with the protectorant sealant wipe, which will fill in all the scratches and all that on the headlight, which is the last thing I have to do. So make sure you have both of your headlights done before you use this stuff, because it says in the directions that this stuff dries extremely quick. So if you've only got one headlight completed and you start to use this, I'm assuming as soon as you open the package, if you don't have the other headlight done, this stuff will dry up and it won't work. So I've got one headlight done already, and I'll show you the difference. Now this is the one we're going to work on, so you can see it's kind of cloudy. And here's the one that I did last night. And they both looked almost identical. You can see just how clear this came out, which is pretty incredible. I really wasn't expecting much, but it works really well. So I just got this taped up. Like I said, don't mind the fender damage that happened before I bought the car. But yeah, so we'll go ahead and get started. The first thing you want to do is attach the brown sanding disc to the wheel as straight on as you possibly can.
Also, the one thing that I forgot to mention, this is a wet sanding project. You want to get some soapy water in a spray bottle, spray the entire headlight and the pad that's on the drill so that it's nice and wet. You don't want to do this when it's dry. Now, after finishing 3 passes with the brown sanding disc, take it off and now use the gray sanding disc and do 3 more passes. And once you've completed 3 passes with the gray sanding disc, take that one off, put the blue sanding disc, which is 4000 grit, to finish off the sanding. Now it's time to polish. Go ahead and put the polishing wheel on your drill. Grab some of the polish. Put about a nickel's worth on the center of it. Then you want to take the drill with the polishing wheel and rub it all across the headlight without spinning the drill. You want to make sure you get it evenly covered, and once you cover the headlight, then go ahead and start using the drill, making a spinning motion. Once you've finished with the polishing, now it's time to pull out the polymer on that polymer rag. and wipe down both headlights. Now remember, this stuff dries extremely quick, so you want to make sure that you have both headlights completed before you do this step. Once you put it on there, you have to let the car air dry for about an hour before you put any water or anything on it. After that, you're done. And those are all the steps that it takes to get those old foggy headlights looking brand new again. Again, if you look here, this is the before and the after. I highly recommend this RainX product, and you can pick this up at Walmart or any auto parts store. It's very easy to do, takes about 45 minutes, and there's no excuse to drive around with foggy looking headlights. So if you learned something, or you found this video to be helpful, make sure you give it a like and share it with your friends.